Hey, welcome. I'm so excited that you're watching this quick video. I am going to try to make it as quick as possible, but so excited that you're here. So let me introduce myself really quick. My name is Michelle Bell, and about 5 years ago, I made a decision to start something new, try something new, and it was literally life-changing. And I'm so excited to share it with you. So I have, as you can see, 4 kids and an awesome husband. When I started this business, one of the reasons I started it was because, let's be honest, kids are expensive, and I wanted to put my kids in activities and sports and music, and money was just crazy tight. And my husband was working full time, and he had a really good, great job, decent job, but I, didn't want to work outside of the home. That was a decision that I just personally felt really strong about, that I wanted to be able to stay at home with my kids. And my husband and I had this conversation about, hey, our youngest, you can see him in the blue shirt there on the right, was approaching kindergarten. And my husband said, okay, so when, our youngest Matthew is in kindergarten, you're going to get a full-time job, right? Like, help with the finances and everything. And I just really did not want to do that. I wanted to be able to be home during summer break and fall vacation, and when my kids are sick, and be able to, help them get off to school and be here to greet them when they got home from school. And so I knew I needed something to be able to bring in income on my own schedule, on my own time, and allow me to be at home. So that's one reason I started this awesome journey that I'm going to tell you about. Really quick though, as you probably know, our economy is changing, right? I mean, from 30 years ago, jobs that used to be dependable are no longer dependable. Stores are closing because so much of the economy is shifting to online. I mean, even the government can't always pay government workers jobs that you think would be totally secure. Our, bills are piling up. We have higher expenses now, and incomes have not kept up with the rising pricing of food and gas and housing and everything else. The economy is just not as secure as it used to be. What are the options if you need to bring in more income, right? You can get a job. That's one option that a lot of people look to first. And that means you have hours usually predetermined for you. You might be traveling a lot for your job, or at least commuting to a job. If you have children, there's childcare costs to take into account. Sometimes the childcare costs hardly make taking a job even worth it. Limited vacation time. I mean, someone telling you, hey, you only get 2 weeks of vacation or 3 weeks of vacation a year, plus just having to work for somebody else, right? Doing what they want you to do. And if you're in a corporate position, dealing with human resources and politics and being in an environment that is very competitive, but in a negative way, where in order for you to promote, that means someone else can't promote because there's only limited positions. And so you're working, and just crossing your fingers that hopefully somebody will give you a promotion if you work hard enough. Basically, you're always trading time for money, which means there's not a lot of room for increasing that, right? And even if you're in a professional position, attorney, pharmacist, dentist, corporate professional, I have met so many in the same type of position that are looking for something more. Maybe it wasn't what they thought it was cut out to be. I have friends that have been attorneys, went to school, got into the profession, and decided this does not fit my lifestyle. My lifestyle has changed. I want something different. But then they feel stuck because they've invested so much time and money into that profession. Or maybe you love everything about your job and it's super satisfying for you and you really wouldn't want to give it up, but wouldn't it be great to have some side income that's going toward bills, vacation, savings, other things just to get ahead? Maybe you'd love to finance a charity organization and to give back. So this is where I come in. I'm so excited because this is what I do. I help women create better futures. We do have men too, but majority of women create a better future for the people that are important to you. But you can bring in income. You can create a financial future for you, but do it on your terms. So how does this sound? To be able to bring in income with your own business and be in complete control of your future. No boss that's telling you what to do, which means you can create your own hours. Maybe you're a morning person. Maybe you're an evening person. You get to work when you want to work. You can work anywhere. Right now I'm in my kitchen, but oftentimes I work from my bedroom or my bed or my back porch or the library or in my car while waiting for my kids. Literally, I can work anywhere. And with your own business, there is no income cap. You don't have to wait for someone to give you a promotion. You don't have to have a certain degree to be able to make more than your coworker. There's no cap. It's amazing. So let's talk about business and the internet for a second, because this is pretty amazing. Total population in the world as of last year was 7.6 billion people. Can you believe that half of the entire world population is using the internet? And that's why our economy is changing so rapidly. Out of that 4 billion using the internet, almost 3/4 of them are on social media. That's incredible. And many of them are using social media right on their phones. So wouldn't it make sense that a business should not be limited to something that's in person? But why not take advantage of the fact that so many people are online using social media and use that as the way to build your business? And I'll tell you what's really cool about that. When you use social media and you use the internet, you really can literally work anywhere. All you need is a Wi-Fi connection and your phone or your computer. The majority of the women that I work with create an entire business completely 100% from their phone, which is pretty amazing. So let me tell you a little bit more about my specific business and why this is a great business to be in. So my business is owned by a company called Coty. You may not have heard of Coty, but you've definitely heard of one of their many brands: CoverGirl, Calvin Klein, Adidas, Max Factor, Tiffany & Company, Gucci, Boss. Sound familiar? These high-end brands, Marc Jacobs. So you're very familiar with a lot of brands that Coty owns, and our company falls under Coty. Pretty great company to be a part of, if I say so myself. So I want to explain how our company, though, is different from a lot of these other brands, even though we're owned by the same parent company called Coty. Most brands that you're familiar with use their marketing budget and they pay for ads, TV ads, Facebook ads, magazine ads, maybe paying for, actresses, influencers, spokespeople, things like that. Super familiar. We've seen this for years and years and years. Our company is different in that instead of taking that marketing budget and putting it towards ads, we invest it in people, in women and some men who share the products and get financially compensated for it. That's really the only difference between our company and the other companies under our Coty umbrella. Smarter marketing, and here's why. Did you know that word-of-mouth marketing is a better way to share products? Nielsen reports that 92% of consumers believe suggestions from friends and family more than advertising. And doesn't that make so much sense? It's when your friend tells you about something and her experience with it that you go, oh, okay, yes, I'm on board. So when your friend tells you about this great movie that she just watched, or maybe you've had experience with a subscription box or a food company or a restaurant, you always trust the opinion of your friend over advertising. So our company simply takes advantage of that. And we use word-of-mouth marketing to share the products and to build an incredible online business. So why join the company? Why start a business with us? Number one, incredible support. We have free professional online training right at your fingertips, and it can all be accessed from your phone. You can do it all on your own schedule. There is comprehensive product training. So our business is cosmetics and skincare, which ironically happens to be a billion-dollar industry. It's a great business to be in because even if you do not wear a lot of makeup or skincare, which was my experience before I started, I didn't wear a lot of makeup, you guys, or hardly any. And I was super nervous to get into a business sharing makeup and skincare, but most women wear either some type of skincare or some type of cosmetics product. So we have a huge population to market to. We have in-person events that you can go to and connect with other business owners that are just like you, building a business and creating a different future for their family. The other amazing thing is that it's a global opportunity. Right now, our business is currently in 13 international markets, and we will be expanding in the future. And the great thing is, it doesn't matter which market you live in. You can share the product, share and create a sales team in any of the other 12 markets. This literally means you can be sleeping and making money while you sleep. It's pretty phenomenal, and I'm not gonna lie, that's one of the funnest parts about this business. All right, so the strategy is very, very simple. We teach you how to share products. Share products online or in person. It's really up to you. So then we consult with customers and we help them with products that fit their needs. And by doing that, we get paid instant royalties. So what I mean by instant royalties, what I mean is that when you get started with this business, and you help a customer get a product for her, you're going to get paid the royalties on that product within 3 hours. So you can literally get signed up today, start sharing, and get paid within 3 hours. It's like, I don't know any kind of job where you can say, hey, I'd like to start and I'd like to get my first check in 3 hours once I get started. Like, that's pretty amazing. And as I mentioned before, many people do this 100% from their smartphones, and they do it in between their busy schedules. So we have people that are moms, that are work full time, that are going to school, that maybe have 3 part-time jobs, and they do this in between the other things that are important in their life. You're also going to get amazing tools. Your website with us is 100% free, so you don't have to pay for hosting. You don't have to know how to know how to design things online or create a website from scratch. You're paid within 3 hours of any sale. You get in-person and online support, and as well as tools that you can use right in your hand, like catalogs and samples. I should also mention we have incredible rewards. This is in addition to getting paid. Like, you get paid, right? This is like on top of that. So free tropical vacations. I think I've gone on 5 trips, and then free products. I love not paying for my makeup and skincare and getting top quality products for either free or at a discount. Free gifts and swag, bags, attire, business tools. There's always something that you can earn. Leadership and business training. So that's another really great thing that I absolutely love, is that you invest in a business, but then you also get all of these tools and training and how to be a better person and a better leader. And then car bonuses. That's been amazing to earn a car bonus to pay for my car sitting in my garage every single month just by working my business. So, as you've probably seen, the company that I'm talking about is unique, and we have a proven success record. So this is why it's so amazing to partner up with us, be the vehicle for you to achieve your dreams. We have a 6-year track record as a company. Over 1 million women and some men have joined us to be able to earn money from home, earn money from their smartphones, and join our cause. We're a company with a mission. Our mission is to uplift, empower, and validate women around the world. And we've partnered and created a foundation to help women that have been victims of childhood sexual abuse find healing. We have amazing quality products that just continue to get better and better. And we just introduced brand new customized skincare. Yeah, customized. So amazing that somebody can come in and choose the ingredients that they want for their own skincare and then have it shipped directly to them. Crazy. Awesome. Plus, our products are consumable, which means it's a business that can continue over and over and over again. People don't purchase just one time. They purchase, they fall in love, and then they repurchase when they're out. There's more than one option for getting started, so you can choose which works best for you. Do you want just the basics and our beautiful start? Do you want to add on our most popular foundation options for a beautiful face, or beautiful skin option where you can add on our new customized skincare line and you get to choose the products in the skincare portion, which is completely awesome, or the all-in beautiful. You just want to go all in, have access to all of our top selling products and be able to demo everything from the start, including our basic kit, your own customized skincare, and your own selected foundation choices that are just for you. And of course, each of these starter kits comes with a purple tote, a catalog, a welcome kit, samples, and even more tools to help you get started. Plus, you get your own mentor that's going to personally be helping you with getting started, somebody that you can message right away, an online community that you can plug into. So even though you're your own boss and it's your own business, you're not by yourself and you're not alone. So I hope that sounds as exciting to you as it did to me when I got started 5 years ago. I took a leap. I wasn't sure how it was going to go, and I'm so grateful that I took that leap because it literally has been life-changing for both my family and I. I went from somebody that was super insecure, stressed about bills, not sure how to pay for my kids' activities, to now I don't have to worry about bills. When something comes up, it's not a big deal because I know I can take care of it with my business. And I'm so excited about the future with this company, earning money to help alleviate stress from my husband, pay off our mortgage, and my goal in the future is actually to retire my husband completely from his corporate job. So there's amazing possibilities and amazing things that can happen with this business. So we invite you to join, to start your new future today. We totally get you may have some questions, so please reach out to whoever sent you this video and ask away because we have the answers for you, and we can't wait to help you get started. Thank you so much for watching, and welcome to the Younique family.